The reason I wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad was because I knew this time was coming. And we have, as a world, have never been here before. It is probably the most dangerous time ever. There's nothing to compare it to because there's never been a world economy before. For example, 100 years ago, if there was a stock market crash in England, it didn't affect anybody. But now the US market goes down, the world goes down. So plus with social media and all this we're doing now, and so we've never been here before. But for the average person, they'll get wiped out. I'm afraid at the worst, I hope I'm wrong, but I think we're heading for a global depression. The economy stays down, it's hard to come back up. And so I've been expecting this market to go down for quite a while. And I'm concerned about my fellow human beings, but as you know, most Americans are clueless. They don't know what's going on. 2008 was Wall Street.
Toxic assets. Toxic assets.
CDOs, MBSs,
yes.
Derivatives. And so what is it today? Wall Street just looted the pensions. So when this next crash comes, it's going to be horrible. And I think the problem with many Americans is they're complacent. They expect, well, it'll heal itself again. So the thing that everybody can do is, as I covered in Fake, my first investment was a gold coin in Hong Kong. I bought a Krugerrand. I was flying off an aircraft carrier in Vietnam, and I went to Hong Kong and I bought a gold Krugerrand. The date was 1972. The reason the date's important is because in 1972 it was illegal for Americans to own gold. So everybody can buy a silver coin today for 20 bucks. A silver eagle is 20 bucks. But how many people will go to a coin shop and buy it? Probably none. Less than 1/10% of Americans own precious metals. And silver today is 50% below its all-time high. So silver is the biggest bargain sitting in the market as we speak today. Another friend of mine, he moved up to, he was from Seattle, He had a big house, his kids all moved out. So he converted the kids' bedrooms into one-bedroom apartments. So he put a kitchen and he put a toilet inside his little bedrooms. And so he now rents out 4 bedrooms. He's making more money today than ever before because a lot of workers commute to Seattle. So they come in, they come in on Sunday night, they check out Friday afternoon. It's at a little house. He's making more money. So the point is, everybody can do something, but you got to figure out what you can do. And there's something you should know about, technology, all these cameras. Okay, it's called the Lindy effect. This Nassim Taleb wrote about it. He says anything that's been new in the last 20 years will be gone in 20 years. What's going to survive is old. So everybody thinks, well, technology is going to make it. What survives is old. So the reason gold and silver will survive is because it's old. Bitcoin may not survive because it's new. I'm not telling you what to buy, I'm just telling you how to think. And he says the guy that's going to survive is somebody who's not fragile, anti-fragile. So what he says is this: whatever doesn't kill you will make you stronger. So he says when you go to the gym and you pump weights, you push 100 pounds, that means the next time you push, you might go 105. So bad times will make the strong stronger. So the big thing is this anti-fragile is good, but another thing they should know is the bigger something gets, i.e. our banks, the more fragile. So just know that those who are in big companies who think they're safe might be at the most at risk. This is the best time of all, but it's also the most dangerous. And that's what Nassim Taleb was talking about. If you're anti-fragile, if somebody punches you and you fall down, you go, thank you, I'm coming back stronger. That's kind of what's going to save you. But if you're the guy who is, you have to put me in a safe room and you can't say anything that triggers me, whatever those kids say, I don't want them. They're not going to make it. They want to get smaller right now. You don't want to get bigger. It's almost like being a Navy SEAL. You want to get into a small team. Like at Rich Dad, we have a small team. We trust everybody. We know everybody. Been working together, most of us, 25 years. And we don't let anybody else in. It's a little tight little group. So small is bigger, not big is bigger. So if you're small and listening to this program tonight, I would say you just pull your horns in, wait for the crash, but have your team together. I train as a Marine sniper. even we had a fight. We had a designated snipers. We fought as teams. We never go by themselves. It's the most important thing is trust, confidence, loyalty, integrity, diligence, cover my back.